To allow everyone to airdrop for a short period, follow these steps. First, make sure your device is compatible with AirDrop, which includes iPhones, iPads, and Macs running on recent operating systems. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on General. Next, select AirDrop, and you will see three options: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone. To allow everyone to AirDrop, select Everyone. This will make your device visible to all nearby devices for a short period, allowing anyone to send you files. On a Mac, you can access AirDrop through the Finder or by using the AirDrop icon in the sidebar. To change the AirDrop settings on a Mac, click on the AirDrop icon. Then click on Allow Me to be discovered by and select Everyone. Keep in mind that allowing everyone to AirDrop can pose a security risk, as it allows anyone nearby to send you files. It is recommended to set the AirDrop settings back to Contacts Only or Receiving Off after the desired time period to minimize potential risks. To limit the time period to 10 minutes, you can set a reminder or keep track of the time manually. After 10 minutes, go back to the AirDrop settings and change it back to Contacts Only or Receiving Off to maintain your device security. By following these steps, you can temporarily allow everyone to AirDrop for a short period, making it easier to share files with others nearby. Remember to prioritize your device security and adjust the AirDrop settings accordingly to minimize potential risks.